Here's how to install our OCAM Aluminium Canopy for the BYD Shark 6. Lay out all the hardware and familiarize yourself with the kit. Lay out all the panels with the clear glass panel at the front and the tinted glass panel at the rear. The side panels have a slanted side which face the rear of the vehicle. Use the included M8 bolts and loosely secure the panels together. Use a 13mm socket to tighten the corner bolts first, but leave the rest finger tight. This is just to temporarily hold the shell's shape, as it may need some adjustment on the vehicle later. Thoroughly clean the edges of the tub using some mineral spirits and a clean rag, then use the included adhesion promoter sponges to prep the surface. Peel off the adhesive backing of the included rubber gasket and make sure the flange is facing inwards. Apply the gasket starting from the corner near the rear window and follow it all the way around and trim off the excess. Apply a small dab of superglue to the corner sections to prevent them from lifting. Apply the adhesive foam sheets near the mounting slots. Use a T40 bit to remove the 6 bolts along the tub rails. This is the order of the body brackets from the front to the rear. They are slotted for adjustment and will be tightened later once the canopy is on the vehicle. Loosely install the body brackets using the included M8 bolts and repeat for the other side. Use black silicone sealant to fill the gaps in the corner of the tub. You can use a bit of mineral spirits on your finger to smooth out the line. Grab a few friends to lift the canopy onto the vehicle and make sure it's aligned to the center, and as close to the cab as possible with even gapping along all sides. Use the supplied M8 bolts with flat washers and nylock nuts to secure the canopy to the body brackets and tighten using a 13mm socket and wrench. Then tighten the body brackets using the same tools. Once the body brackets are tightened, check all the panels for even gapping along the seams and then tighten all the inner panel bolts. Use a 10mm socket to remove the 2 bolts holding in the left tail light. Use a trim tool wedge between the tub and the left edge and give it a wiggle to push the tail light outwards away from the vehicle. Use a test light to identify the active brake light wire. In our case, it was the red wire. Route the canopy's brake light wire in behind the tail light and leave enough slack for cable management. Solder the red and black wires together, then protect the connections with electrical tape. Reinstall the tail light with its 10mm bolts. Bundle up the excess and tuck it away in the top corner. And there you have it, your OCAM Aluminium Canopy is installed.